If you like the taillights on the newer Ram trucks and wish you could implement that style into your 2010 through 2018 Ram 2500, this set of white LED bar taillights with the black housing and the smoke blinds will definitely do the trick. Now, these will only work with the Rams with factory halogen taillights, and if that fits your mold, these will be a great addition to your truck that is also relatively affordable to either update the styling or replace damaged or worn factory details with a sleek, modern, and high-performing approach. These will be very dark at first glance when they're off, being a great addition to any blacked out aesthetic or a stealthier build style, but when they're on, they'll have a super bright appearance to them. The outer white light bar will be the stylish running light here, and the upper and lower bar in the center will offer a bright strip of LEDs for the brake lights, both being incredibly noticeable on the road to other drivers, especially compared to those factory tails. The center will have a bright white reverse light surrounded by the plastic inner housing there, which I think adds a factory style element to the light, ups the styling of the build, and even though the reverse light isn't that big here, the strip of high output LEDs, even through the smoke blinds, will provide solid visibility out of the back of your Ram. These will have a solid ABS plastic build that is pretty standard for taillights because it's a strong plastic material that can hold up in tough conditions. On the front will be a tough smoked plastic, which does a great job at adding that darker look to the lights without completely taking away the lighting performance. And with the sturdy construction, will hold up to a lighter abuse, so no matter where you're taking your Ram, these are going to do well. Now, even with being a full LED setup, installation will also be completely plug and play with no wiring requirements, and an included resistor is going to be in the kit to eliminate any hyper flashing from the drastic switch from a halogen over to an LED setup. These will cost you roughly $400, and compared to other choices, these are going to be right in the middle for a set of taillights. This will be unique in the fact that it is going to have an OE Plus approach to the design with the next gen appearance, in addition to taking it to the next level again with a smoked appearance if you want the best of both worlds. These will also have a full LED construction, which require no wiring, which is great, especially for that running light, and no maintenance over time, even out of a high performing set. So $400 for a substantial increase and a substantial improvement in your lighting. I think that that's definitely a fair price. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should only take you about an hour or so to get these installed, but you can probably get it done quicker because the install is more simplistic than you probably think. Now, at this point, we can head over to our shop and check out a detailed breakdown on our 2500. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go over to the shop and check out the install on our Ram.
For this install, you need a ratchet and a T25 socket. All right, today we're gonna be installing some taillights on our Ram, so let's get started. All right, so now we're gonna take our stock taillight out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our ratchet and a T25 socket and take our 2 screws out of the inside of the taillight. All right, we're just gonna pull your taillight straight out. All right, now we just have our 2 connectors. Right here we have our red locking tab. Just gonna pull that back, and then squeeze down the tab here, pull the connector off, and same thing down here, squeeze on the connector, pull that off. All right, now you should repeat those same steps for the other taillight. All right, now before we install our new taillight, we just have to swap over our factory connectors that will plug into our wiring harnesses on our new taillight. All right, so now we're gonna swap over our factory connectors here and here. I'm gonna start with our main one, take our bulb out, and that will just simply plug into the harness. And you can take it and secure it into the housing. Do the same thing with the reverse. The reverse one is a little tight, so just give it a good push. And the same thing, secure it into the housing. All right, now we're just gonna plug our factory harnesses back in. Make sure you secure the red locking tab. All right, and then we can reinstall our taillight. You will see the two slots here and here. You will have plastic clips here and here. As you can see, ours are missing, but you will have them and they will just slide over and lock into place when you put the taillight into place. And then you can reinstall your two T25 screws. All right, now we're just gonna reinstall our two T25 screws. Grab a ratchet and tighten them down. All right, now you just repeat the same steps for the other taillight. All right, and that wraps up our install of our white LED bar taillights with a black housing and smoked lenses for our 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500 with factory halogen taillights. And remember, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.